Gloria, number 11. Last number 24. 14 seconds to shoot. Gloria Perez, number 11. 15 minutes.
Debut sa pagitan ng Alamat at Bantayan Race. Jumbo. Oh, pick up by. Foul number 3. Pushing foul. 17 seconds left.
Seconds to shoot. Number 13. Basket. Number 3. 3-point. Number 13, Garcia. Pass to Gloria. Pass for 3. No good. Kembali number 14, Almiron. Seconds to shoot. Number 11. Number 23, basket. Number 13, no good, rebound number 20, there's a foul, foul number 11, blocking foul. Number 11, Karimit, pass to number 23, Almiron, number 14, no good, followed by number 20, basket. Number 10, same ball. 13 seconds to shoot. Intercepted by jersey number 11. To number 23, 2 points. On the score. Basket by number 20. Number 11. Number 14. No good. And number 20. Basket. Number 13 for 3, no good. By number 11. Intercepted by number 11 below at number 20, Pierre, 2 points. Number 14, wala. By number 10. Number 11, Viloria. Foul number 3. Second personal foul number 3. Second team foul. First throw. Now good. Second row. Wala pa rin. And volley number 3. Pass number 11. Bigay ka number 20. 14 seconds to shoot. Substitution. Seconds to shoot. Wala. Number 11, Viloria. Good. 12 seconds to shoot. Good. Ball number 15. Long pass number 22. Wala. Ball number 27. Number 20. Wala. Number 11, Merius. Terima diretso. Asal bola berbawah number 14 and basket. Substitution. Hello, number 13. 13 seconds to shoot. Wala. Block. 10 seconds to shoot. Wala pa rin. Ball number 20, pass to number 23. Same ball. Ya, basket by number 14. Gloria number 11. Paris Love. 11 basket. Basket count, foul number 10. Ball of free throw foul against number 9. 3-point play by jersey number 9, Rivera. Eleven seconds to shoot. Substitution. Eleven seconds to shoot. Seven seconds. Good. Number 23, Almiron. 13 seconds to shoot. Basket. Number 11, basket. Number 33. You see the ball, voila. Running number 9. It's a traveling violation. Substitution. Number 13. Pass number 6 for 3. No good. The ball number 12. Not the bridges to number 12. Number 11, Kirimit. Pass to number 9. Wala. Number 13, Garcia. May tangan ng bola. Garcia. Naras number 11. 14 seconds to shoot. It's a late violation. Number 11, Kirimit. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 13, basket. Number 11. There's a whistle. Foul number 11. Legal incident. Third team foul. 14-second shot clock. 14-second shot clock. Yeah, we are number 20. Kirimit. Solvero number 20. 14 seconds to shoot. 13 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Alvaro number 20 naghanap ng papapati kay number 11 Kirimit. Wala. Ipang number 6. Number 13. Wala. Ipang number 13. It's number 14. Number 14. Okay. Number 11. Number 11. Wala. Ipang number 11. Gloria. Time out! Right. Number 9, Rivera. Pass to number 24. 14 seconds to shoot. Exactly 1 minute until first quarter. Number 13, Garcia. There's a whistle. Foul by number 11. Number 11, second personal foul. 14 foul. Wanted for penalty. Number 12, number 3, no good. Partner number 16. 47 seconds. 47 seconds. Seconds to shoot. Rebound number 6. Pass number 13. It's a traveling violation. Seconds. Number 11, Kennedy. Pass number 14. Basket. Basket. 2. Time withdrawn by first quarter. Official score 23-14. Bola ng mga nakapula. Number 9. Agos ang shot. Number 9, wala pa rin. Kalabay number 14. 2 points. Just number 14, Alberon. Garcia. Just number 13. Dribbling ball. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 3, no good. Number 24, 14, no good. Good. Number 11, Viloria. Pass. Number 11 to number 9. No good. While number 20. Number 11, Viloria, wala. Number 11, Viloria, wala. Follow up by just number 11. Tira mo, follow up mo. Number 24, Geronimo, basket. Still number 11, Kurulu. To number 20, no good. And number 27, pass to number 11, Viloria. Ball. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 30. Wala, pero may foul. Foul by number 14. Illegal contact to the arm. First round basket by number 20, Ferrer. Second row, equal B. Number 20, still number 11. 2 points. Number 11, Kermit. Number 14. Wala. Followed by number 24 and goes to whistle. Foul on goes to number 20. Hindi nagtatas sa ground. Substitution. First personal foul, first team foul. First row, wala. Second row. Try and rebound number 20, pass to number 6. Number 13. 12 seconds to shoot. Number 6, pass for 3. Response, yes, number 6. Number 11. Walang pinasahan. Exactly 7 minutes. 13 seconds to shoot. Trouble 2-1. Number 14 for 3. Good points goes to number 14, Mahal Meron. Mabali kaya, wala? Mabali number 14. Number 24. Masakana. Right team. 32-25 ang ating official score. Back to the bogey. Number 13. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 6. No good. Number 12. Pass up by Goki number 12. Number 11, Kermit. Number 14. Intercepted by Goki number 13. Foul. Foul by number 24. Running number 9. Ng Bantayan for taking a foul. Seconds to shoot. That's the traveling violation. Basket number 11. 5 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Yeah. Ball number 14. Number 9. Basket. 36-27. Number 13. Block. Substitution. Seconds to shoot. Fouled by number 6, pushing foul. Substitution. 13 seconds to shoot. 13 seconds to shoot. That's the 3, all good. Couple number 20, basket. There's a whistle. Foul on. This is number 23, shooting foul. Substitution. First personal foul by jersey number 23, team foul. First one, jersey number 11, basket. Second throw. Good. Rebound number 9 Rivera. Pass number 11 Kermit. Good. The ball to Belgrado. Pass number 23. 14 seconds to shoot. Almiron. Using the ball. Wala. Follow by number 30. 2 points. Gloria. Number 11. Last number 24. 14 seconds to shoot. Gloria Perez, number 11. Gloria, number 11. Last number 24. 14 seconds to shoot. Gloria Perez, number 11. Go to the board. That's it. Touchdown, number 11 for taking a foul.
Number 11, nabibigyan ng technical foul for taking a foul. Substitution referees. Nabigyan na ng warning for taking a foul. Inulit ulit. Any repetition, nabigyan ng direct technical. A basket. Verola, number 11. Down the ball, looking for a teammate. Out of bounds. That is miscommunication between Verola and number 10. Substitution referees. Number 8, downing the ball. With number 33, basket by Almiron. And number 11, downing the ball. Pass to, di ko makita, number 18, binigay kay Paris, using the gun, it's right, before the number 6, for number 11, 8 seconds to shoot, basket. And number 23, good second move, it's up, binigay kay number 11, Bobeta Trejo. Number 24, they need to stop us. Number 24, 33, and number 10, binigay kay number. Hindi ko makita. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 18. Pass to number 10. Drop pass to number. Drop pass to. Basket. By number. Oh. Number 8. Drop pass to number 9. Pick up to number 23. Good shot. Intercepted by Romero. Intercepted. Romero. Using the net. Basket. Number 9. Binigay kay number 24. Time out. Alamat. Official score. 36-32. Back to the ball game. And 11. From number. Binigay kay number 10 for basket by number 12. Number 23, for number 8. Block. Not holding, not holding. Binigay kay Galera. Basket. Don't block the ball for 46. 10 seconds. For 35. For 35 by number 24. That's the end of our first half battle between Team Alamat and Bantayan. 46. Number 13, Garcia. For number 21, kita ang kanyang paa. Lane Bolson. And number 11, intercepted by Taylor, binigay kay number 12. So number 11, guarded by number 11, Kumagasa! It's out! Rebound by! Number 14, pass break game para kay number 23! It's out! Rebound by! Nakuri! It's a basket by number 23. Number 27, binigay kay 3 seconds violation. And number 11, looking for his teammate. So number 13, 3 points. Number 14. Number 13, Garcia. Binigay kay number 11. Binigay kay. Number 11. So number 23. Intercepted by binigay kay Garcia, number 13. Foul for 3, shot! That's a foul by, committed by number 11, pushing foul. Substitution referees. Second personal foul number 11. First team foul by Team Alamat. Number 11. Number 11. 3 points, back-to-back 3 para sa Team Bantayan. Konteng Abato para sa Team Bantayan. Balaya number 11. Gisbang Morris shot. Rebound by Nakuri, binigay kay Almiron Fix. Yes, out. Nakuri number 10, Avalos. Binigay kay number 27, Togabe, binigay kay number 27. Yes, out. Pass break para kay Aaron. Team Alamat. The season score 56, 46. 10-point lead by Team Bantayan. 10-7 last. Back to the ball game. Togabe number 27, looking for his teammate. Binigay kay Spanyol, binigay kay number 12. Number 11, binigay kay number 13. Aliyah Jane para kay number 11 and number 13. Number 6, Espanyol. So number 20, Flores, binigay kay Togabe number 27. Shot! Big rebound by number 12. Nice putback by number 12. That's a 3 seconds violation. Number 6 is for the 3. 3 points. Spanyol. And number 11. Binigay kay number 20. Zigzag move. The basket by number 20. And number 27 points for Spanyol. Nakakuha ng foul sa baba. Foul on number 20. Illegal na sa bench. Substitution referees. Second personal foul. Number 20. Second team foul. Alamat. Lane violation. Backcourt violation. Number 6, fires the 3. 3 points. Espanyol. Back to back to back. 9-0-1. Second ball, getting ready to Espanyol side. One. The same ball for Tyler was touched by Toro. Intercepted by number 13. Binigay by number 14. Intercepted. And a lane violation. It's out. Football. It's out. Number 35. Binigay by number 27. James. Basket. Substitution referees. Substitution. Time out. Bantayan. Back to the ball game. Time remaining 4 minutes and 26 seconds. 17 seconds shot clock. 17 seconds to shoot. Number 6, fires the 3. It's out. Medyo kinakapot na. ball. 11 seconds. Shot clock. 11 seconds to shoot. Foul number 20. Pushing foul. Shot clock was up to 14.
Laki ng ram yan.
14 seconds, shot clock, 14 seconds to shoot. Number 18 to number 13, binigay kay Bellaro, by 13. It's up. Nakoni, binigay kay Kirimit, number 11. Binigay kay number 9. Kaya James, using the nice basket. Spaniel for 3. 3 points. Spaniel. Bedrock na po. Sa 62. It's up. Hold on by number 3. Put that, it's up. Turn number 9. It's up again. Binigay by number 13. Number 13. That's a intercepted by number 3. Place the goal. Place the goal. Number 11. Basket. Bedrock 64. It's Spaniel. Fires the 3. It's up. Fires the 3 by number 15. By number 14. Number 13, fires the 3. 3 points. Number 13. Kickball. Substitution ready. Substitution ready. Spaniel out, Avalos in. Number 14 fires. It's up. Steps up by number 20. Downing the ball by number 13. Binigay by number 27. Intercepted ball. Intercepted by number 20. Binigay by number 9. Binigay by number 14. Nagmamali. Basket. Number 13, looking for his teammate. Binigay kay Togbari number 27, big move. Low block. Same ball. Substitution na. Dito na po. Number 12, Thomas Zimmer, basket. Number 14, binigay ka number 9. Number 9, zigzag move. With a floater shot by number 9. Exactly 1 minute. Number 13, Levi's teammate. Nakita si Tugado, number 27. Nakakuha ng foul sa ball. Foul na number 14. Illegal hit to the arm. So free throws awarded by number 20. That's our second personal foul number 14. Almiron. First try. It's out. Second goal sa basket. 1 out of 2. Para over 25 seconds remaining. Almiron fires the 3. It's out. Ang taas ng talong ng number 14. Ngunit wala. Binigay to number 10. Garcia, number 13. Pyramid. Number 14 to number 23. Basket. That's the end of our third quarter. Pass number 14. Number 14. Pass 14. Now good. Pagpag na number 9. Wala rin ba number 12. Pass number 13. Garcia. Garcia, jersey number 13. Good in the ball. Ito sama-sama. 14. Bagus. Rebound number 9. To number 11. Philip. To number 20. Almiron. Solid block by jersey number 20. Spin ball. Number 11. Philip. 14 seconds to shoot. Foul. Foul by number 14. Holding foul. Number 11. Number 15. First for 3. Number 13. Garcia. Garcia. Derecho. Sebelah. Number 14. Satu number 22. Number 11. Number 11. Power number 20. Teaching foul. That is the first special foul number 20. Second team foul. Substitution. First round number 11 is good. Second foul by number 11 Philip. Before two substitution. Number 11, Dumareto. Using the ball and number 11, Gloria. Number 11, Philip. Pass number 14. Discommunication. Right off. Number 14 to number 11, Gloria. Number 11 to Manako. Number 11, Mendoza Luzon. Foul number 14, illegal cylinder. Foul number 14, first team foul. First goal, basket. Second throw. Second two by this number 11. Nice.
Number 11, Kermit. Foul number 14, lucky foul. Substitution, second personal foul number 14, 13 foul. Number 11, keputawan ng bola, number 12, pass number 13, Garcia. Number 13, Loki, wala. Keputawan number 13, Steal. Number 11, Zuloria, Turay Derecho, block. Foul. Foul by number 12, illegal intervention. First personal foul, warning for penalty. Foul number 6, pushing foul. Penalty. Second personal foul, number 6. Penalty na po ang Team Alamat. And first two foul naman sa Bantayan. Team ball. Second shot clock. 13-second shot clock. 13-second shot clock. Seconds to shoot. Basket. Barzinski. Number 12. Steal. Number 11, Peter Sanders. Bantayan. Seven ang ating official score with time remaining 7 minutes and 18 seconds. Penalty na po ang Team Alamat at first team baru na po sa Bantayan. Ayan. Number 23, Almorod. Wala. Number 13. Number 13, Garcia. Number 11, basket. Zuloria. Number 20, Almorod. Steal. Number 11, basket. There's a foul. Foul number 13. Lagi foul penalty. Substitution. First personal foul number 13. First round number 11 is Duke. Second throw. Wala. Apa? Basket. Number 11. Basket by number 20. Exactly 6 minutes. Still ball. 16 seconds shot clock. Substitution. Still number 11. Still ball. Number 11, to the deep. The number 9, People. The deep number 9, Rivera. Seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. Number 11. Number 11, Kerry. Coach, pakipalitan na po. Coach. Substitution. Number 14, 5 for 3. No good. About number 27. Loose ball. 11 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 14. Alright, about number 12. Number 10. number 11, 20 basket. Seven to number 12. 10 seconds to shoot. It's a single. 11 seconds to shoot. Number 12, basket. Number 21 Murat. 14 seconds to shoot. And Ruka. Foul number 10. They got up the line. Substitution. Second personal foul number 10. Second ball, foul number 12. Number 11, Wala. Number 20, basket. Number 27. Number 12. Number 15, 14 seconds to shoot. Number 13, 5 foot 3. No good. Opponent number 12. Basket foul number 14. Luka Pata to ground. Substitution. Number 14, that is your first personal foul. Riding for disqualification. Second team foul. Balance figure. We can play on number 12. Number 22 to number 3, basket. Below number 11. 30 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Basket. Number 14, wala, number 11. Number 3, last 2 minutes. Basket, para number 3. Seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Wala. Number 9. Number 3. Alamat. Nagkakit ang ating season score. Time remaining 1 minute and 29 seconds. Both teams meron na lang po kayo ng isang timeout. Both teams meron na lang po kayo ng isang timeout. Penalty na po. Ito malamat. Ito malamat at 17 foul para naman po sa Bantayan Royals.
Last 2 doubles game. Vertical shot clock ang tumulong ng alamat. Number 13, Garcia. It's a line violation. Number 23. Number 26, number 11. Number 20. It's a straight ball. Number 14, first 14. Lead ball, Jesse, number 14. Arnold. Number 13. 14 seconds to shoot. Nabawi. Wala. Number 13. Number 12. Wala. Nabawi number 13. 45 seconds. Number 13, Garcia. 35 seconds. 30 seconds. Hello? Dari number 12 to number 13. Number 13, 30 seconds. 15 seconds. 13. 10. There's a missile. Foul number 13. Number foul. 13 foul. Number 14, that is your fifth personal foul. Lumalako sa number 14. 13 foul. 9 seconds. 13 foul. Para po sa bantayan. 9 seconds. There's a foul. Foul number 11. Holding foul. 14 foul. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty. Number 11, it is your first personal foul.